Okay, so I'm back, and I've sectioned my hair into 4 big ponytails, and I take a little hair and I clip it off, and I take the hair, and I'm using this kind of brush. I'm not sure what kind I use, but I just go through it. And get all the tangles out. Check the second piece. And just comb through it. Should start from the bottom and work your way up. It's actually tangling very well today. I guess because today I pre-pooed. And then you take your last section, the last piece of that section. And you just comb, well, I guess detangle it. Got a lot of shrinkage, but that's okay. Make sure your hair is fully detangled in that section. And I'll be back when I'm finished detangling my hair. Okay, I'm back. I have dried my hair, and I just flat ironed it just like 2 seconds ago. And this is how it looks. I'm going to come back once I put my lustrous pink lotion on so I can show you how it looks. Okay, so I'm back. I applied a little lustrous pink lotion on my hair just to give it a little moisture. And this is the rim. I hope this video was very informative for you. I've been working since about 5:30 and it's almost 10 now. You consider the pre-poo, the washing, the deep conditioning. Sorry about the noise in the background. There was, the deep condition, the rinsing, the drying, and the flat iron. This is Lady T signing off. Have a good one.